the Defence Ministry has given approval to the Indian Air Force proposal to buy 97 more LCA Mark 1A fighter aircraft. These are indigenous aircraft, sir. How is this going? How are these 97 aircraft going to help the Indian Air Force, and how are they going to help improve the operational preparedness of the service, sir?
It is indeed a landmark event that the approval has been given for procurement of 97 additional LCA Mark 1A. You are aware that we had signed a contract for 83 LCA Mark 1As, the deliveries for which are to start shortly in the next few months. And we already had 40 LCAs of the original IOC and FOC version. So with this, in the long run, the strength of the Indian Air Force will grow to 220 LCA Mark 1As, which will equip almost 10 squadrons of the Air Force. With the winding down of the MiG-21 and the MiG-27 and 23 fleets in the past, this is an ideal fit to replace the depleting strength, and it's a very capable and potent aircraft, and it's also it gives our trust in the Indian defense industry capabilities. It shows that we firmly are committed towards Atmanirbhar Bharat and ensuring that a large number of our items on our inventory are made in India.
Defense deal that India would have ever done. Prior to this, it was the Rafale, which is a foreign aircraft.
Yes.
Now this is an indigenous, homegrown aircraft, and total orders for both these batches, 83 plus 97, go beyond 1,10,000 crores. How is it going to help the indigenous defense industry, sir?
It is only for you to imagine. Out of this 1,10,000 crores, almost 60 to 65% of this will go towards the defense sector industries, the MSMEs and the PSUs, which is a huge amount by any standards. And this will only give rise to a more vibrant defense ecosystem, a defense manufacturing ecosystem in our country. And over a period of time, you will see that the offshoot of these procurements will lead to increased production capabilities within the country. The requirement for having a very agile combat helicopter was felt immediately during after the Kargil. And this indigenous development of the LCH or the Prachand has given us a tremendous boost to our capability in war fighting in this domain of helicopter combat operations. We had procured initially 10 of them for the Indian Air Force, the light combat helicopters, and they have proven their worth. They are indeed very agile, very capable aircraft, which are capable of carrying out multiple tasks even at high altitudes. And these will definitely enhance the capability of the armed forces and the Air Force in particular.
And sir, now with these inducted in large numbers, will we need to import attack helicopters in future, or?
No, I don't think we will ever need to import attack helicopters. This huge tranche of 156 LCH should suffice to meet our own the requirements of both the Army and the Air Force.
And sir, along with this, the Indian Air Force, for the biggest ever program, I don't think there's any parallel outside as well, where a foreign origin aircraft is being upgraded completely indigenously and will have more of Indian weapon systems, sensors, radars. Can you please tell us about it, sir?
Yes, the DSC today gave approval for upgrading 84 Sukhoi 30 aircraft. This will be a design and development project taken on with by the HAL as the lead integrator. It will have huge participation of the private industry and MSMEs. And after the design and development phase is over, then the series modification of the aircraft will begin. Like you mentioned, it's a huge step. For the first time, we will be upgrading an aircraft to that level where it will reach an unprecedented level of indigenous content. It will, subject to, of course, the IPR conditions placed by the OEM, but it will also showcase our prowess to other countries operating this aircraft, that we can upgrade this aircraft to the latest generation capabilities completely in-house. Obviously, the Prime Minister flying an homegrown fighter jet aircraft was a significant landmark event. and it has not only it gives confidence to the Indian domestic manufacturing in the ecosystem that it has got the endorsement from the highest office of the country. The output of the effort of so many people in the industry, in the defense industry, has really borne fruit, and we are now capable of even exporting this aircraft to other countries. You've seen the follow-on order which will come from the Air Force for 97 additional LCA. All this is a huge step towards Atmanirbharta. Obviously, it was a tremendous message not only to the Indian Air Force, to the Indian Armed Forces, but also to the Indian defense industry.